Hello everybody, welcome to Tandy IT. You clicked on this video because now you're trying to find your MAC address on your computer, which is your actual physical address on your machines. What you're going to do is going down into the search, you're going to type in CMD. Once again, I like to run everything as an administrator. Click in yes. So, and another video I told you to type in IP config. Now you're going to put in the \all and press enter. Now it's going to give you just a little bit more information than the IP config. So right now we are going to search for our MAC address. We're going to look for our MAC address. On my computer, let's take a look here. Let's see if I can actually find it. Yep, here it is. Because we are communicating on the wireless adapter, my physical address right here is here. This is my physical IP, correction, this is my physical MAC address here, okay? And here's my preferred IP address and all that good stuff. So here you go. This is your physical address. This is your MAC address location. Hope this video helps you out. Have a good one. See you on the next video.